Beautiful mama. Beautiful sweetie. Here, sweetie. Here, Petunia. Petunia's here, guys. I'm just getting some food with my other hand. Here, Petunia. Hey, Petunia, I haven't even put it there. Beautiful little princess. She loves being fed by hand, guys. Beautiful girlie. How come you didn't come yesterday, Petunia? Only Chickies? Chico and your hubby were here. And the prophet. You didn't come because you were but I saw you down the road at the neighbors. And I saw her calling a neighbor in Rancho Street. So, all the way from here, she was calling the neighbor. I could hear it from here.